Hi everyone, this is Vinay. First of all, thank you so much, Parichay and Enhanced Skill. It was a wonderful session, Pehchan Khud Se. I had a wonderful time, lot of learning. It was like deep, insightful, and little bit exhausting, but it was a very funny. It was not like 1 hour, 2 hour. It's a workshop from 9 to 5, almost like 6 to 7 hours. Lot of things we learned. So one of the key things what I would like to share all of you is that there are a lot of inner learnings, self-realization. There are a lot of things I didn't know because there was already buried in my life since right from the childhood, and that was like ignited, and it is a kind of self-realization and self-belief, and also know yourself. The biggest thing what I have found is most of us, we don't know ourselves. And that is the one thing. If you want to know yourself, if you want to dig out and deeply understand yourself, then this is the session for you. I highly recommend all of you just to have one session with Pehchan Khud Se or Parichay Khud Se.